The theory of evolution, proposed by Charles Darwin in the 19th century, revolutionized our understanding of the origin and diversity of life on Earth. While the biological aspects of evolution have been extensively studied, the role of mathematics in explaining evolutionary processes has gained increasing prominence. In this exploration, we delve into the intricate relationship between mathematics and evolution, examining how mathematical models and principles contribute to our comprehension of this fundamental biological phenomenon. At the heart of evolutionary theory is the concept of natural selection. Organisms within a population exhibit variation in traits, and those traits that confer advantages for survival and reproduction are more likely to be passed on to subsequent generations. Mathematical models help quantify the dynamics of these variations and predict how they may change over time. Evolution operates through the mechanism of genetic inheritance. The mathematical study of genetics, including principles of Mendelian inheritance and population genetics, provides a foundation for understanding how traits are transmitted from one generation to the next. This genetic framework is crucial for developing mathematical models that elucidate the patterns and rates of evolutionary change. Population genetics, a field at the intersection of mathematics and biology, focuses on the genetic composition of populations and how it changes over time. Mathematical models in population genetics, such as the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium and the Wright-Fisher model, enable scientists to study the distribution of genetic traits within populations and predict how they may evolve. Evolutionary game theory applies mathematical models to understand how strategic interactions between individuals within a population shape the evolution of certain behaviors. Game theory concepts, such as the prisoner's dilemma, have been adapted to explore scenarios where individuals with different traits compete for resources, shedding light on the emergence and persistence of certain behaviors in a population. Adaptive dynamics is a mathematical framework that considers the evolution of traits in response to selective pressures. By modeling how traits change over time based on their fitness, adaptive dynamics provides insights into the long-term outcomes of evolutionary processes. This approach has been particularly useful in studying scenarios where rapid evolution occurs in response to changing environmental conditions. Quantitative genetics involves the study of traits influenced by multiple genes and environmental factors. Mathematical models in quantitative genetics, such as the Breeder's equation, quantify the contribution of genetic and environmental factors to the observed variation in traits within populations. This approach is crucial for understanding the heritability of complex traits and predicting their evolution. Phylogenetics is the branch of evolutionary biology that uses mathematical models to reconstruct the evolutionary relationships among species. Techniques such as cladistics and molecular clock methods allow scientists to analyze genetic data and construct phylogenetic trees, providing insights into the evolutionary history and divergence times of different species. Mathematical models also contribute to our understanding of macroevolutionary patterns, such as speciation and extinction events. The study of speciation rates, extinction dynamics, and the emergence of new traits over geological timescales involves mathematical tools to analyze large datasets and infer underlying evolutionary processes. Mathematical models in evolutionary biology often involve simplifications and assumptions to make the complexities of nature more manageable. Critics argue that oversimplification may lead to inaccurate predictions or fail to capture the nuances of real-world evolutionary processes. Evolutionary systems are inherently complex, involving interactions at multiple levels, from genes to ecosystems. Integrating this complexity into mathematical models remains a challenge. Advances in computational methods and the development of more sophisticated models aim to address these limitations and provide a more accurate representation of evolutionary dynamics. The principles of evolution extend beyond the realm of biology. Cultural evolution, for example, exhibits analogous patterns to biological evolution. Mathematical models have been employed to study the transmission of cultural traits, the emergence of cultural diversity, and the impact of selective pressures on cultural evolution. In the field of computer science, evolutionary algorithms draw inspiration from biological evolution to solve optimization problems. These algorithms utilize mathematical models of selection, mutation, and recombination to evolve solutions over successive generations, showcasing the broader applicability of evolutionary principles. The interplay between mathematics and evolutionary biology has enriched our understanding of the processes that shape life on Earth. From population genetics to phylogenetics, mathematical models have provided valuable insights into the mechanisms driving evolution. While challenges and criticisms persist, ongoing advancements in both biological and mathematical sciences promise a deeper and more nuanced comprehension of evolutionary dynamics. The marriage of mathematics and evolution stands as a testament to the interdisciplinary nature of scientific inquiry, revealing the beauty of patterns and principles that govern the diversity and complexity of life.